चाप CHAAP ये ख्याल आएगा कि आपने मेडिसिन केमिस्ट्री की या आप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री उसको कहती हैं और उसके बाद फिर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप व्हाट इज
के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करने आए हैं। हम यहाँ पे अपने स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर रह के गेट्स खोलना चाहते हैं, दीवारें नहीं।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm your host Asghar Haris and you are watching Kulsoom Akhtar YouTube channel. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम हर वक्त आपके सामने एक बहुत ही अच्छी शख्सियात को लेके आते हैं और टुडे यू विल enjoy after watching our this program as we have a very nice personality with us. She is researcher, she is entrepreneur, she is having some companies she's running for the last about 6 years in Pakistan. Her name is Isha Sheikh. We welcome Isha Sheikh. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी ईशा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
How are you Isha?
Good, how are you?
आपका कैसा दिन रहा आज का?
बहुत अच्छा जी. Very nice.
Very nice. We will start for our viewers your brief introduction, like where you born, what is your education, and what are your a brief history of your life.
Sure. So I was born in Pakistan, here in Lahore. I am by education a medicinal chemist. I've done my bachelor's and master's in medicinal chemistry, and I am an inventor, an entrepreneur, a business person, and someone who lives to make an impact on the world in some form or the other.
कुछ लोगों के जहन में ये ख्याल आएगा कि आपने मेडिसिन केमिस्ट्री की या आप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री उसको कहती हैं और उसके बाद फिर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप व्हाट इज़ ऑल अबाउट?
जी ये अक्सर मुझसे सवाल पूछा जाता है. लॉट ऑफ माय मेंटीज एंड स्पेशली द गर्ल्स दैट आई वर्क विद, दे ऑलवेज आस्क मी कि इतनी एक ड्रास्टिक चेंज कैसे आया है फ्रॉम
केमिस्ट टू
from being to an entrepreneur, and I believe it's in me. I come from a family of entrepreneurs. And I believe कि science आपको create करना सिखाता है और entrepreneurship आपको अपनी creation को monetize करना सिखाती है और एक living बनाना सिखाती है in a different way. So ये इन दोनों चीज़ों का intersection है. And जितनी भी चीज़ें अभी तक स्टार्ट की हैं मैंने, all the initiatives that I've been involved in, all of the companies that I've started over the years and I've made successful are very research intensive, they are very science intensive, they require a lot of what I've studied to actually bring it full circle.
Was it in your mind in the beginning or you just grabbed these ideas a few years back?
In terms of entrepreneurship?
Yeah.
I always knew that I was going to be working for myself, for sure. No, when I was a kid, as I was growing up, I did not know that I would be starting all these initiatives and I would be a part of something, all of these things. But I always knew that I was going to be inventing something. I would be creating something different. I would be doing my best to create an impact on the lives of people of our country, especially the women of our country. That I always knew of.
Then what was the point of time when you thought just to start now?
I just started.
Oh.
Yeah, I just started.
Which year you started?
I started when I was 22, so 7 years ago.
Right after completion of your
my master's. Yes.
You did masters from US. I
did my masters from the US. I did an accelerated degree. Where it's a 6-year degree usually when you do a bachelor's and a master's in chemistry, and
it's 1-year program after a bachelor's if you are taking 4 years program, but you did for 6 years.
I actually didn't do it in 6 years. I in fact did it the opposite. I completed both my degrees in 4 years.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
So you are so passionate about your this chemistry degree at that time.
Very passionate. I actually very much
Why you
loved
so
molecules.
At that time? Why आप वक्त कहाँ लगाना चाहती थी?
आई थिंक मैं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ करना चाहती थी जिसका फिजिकल इम्पैक्ट हुए दुनिया में.
Right.
अगर आप देखें तो मेरी जो यूएस वाली कंपनी है PlayPal, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एन इम्पैक्ट ड्रिवन कंपनी.
Right.
एंड जो छाप फाउंडेशन है वो भी एक इम्पैक्ट ड्रिवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. तो मुझे बचपन से पता था कि मैंने किसी न किसी तरीके से आके इवेंचुअली जो कुछ भी करना है, वेदर वो मैंने एक कंपनी बनानी है, वो मैंने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जाना है, मैंने जो कुछ भी करना है वो मैंने लोगों की बेहतरी के लिए करना है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. और किसी न किसी तरीके से मेरी क्रिएशन जो है उसमें लोगों को बिजनेस के साथ साथ फ़ायदा भी होना चाहिए.
वेरी नाइस जी. नाज़रीन, हमारे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद हैं ईशा शेख. ईशा शेख है जी, फाउंडर एंड CEO ऑफ PlayPal. PlayPal is a US-based company which is also working in Pakistan?
No, it doesn't work in Pakistan. We have an office here in Pakistan.
Right.
Right.
What actually you do in PlayPal?
So PlayPal is a digital health platform.
Fine.
Right, and ये जितने भी all these devices and these apps
right.
that you use जो already exist करती हैं market में, there are over 300,000 different types of devices and apps out there. What the PlayPal platform does is it consolidates everything under one banner. And it uses the data that's being generated from all of these different devices and apps that exist to create an advanced health profile for the individual.
Fine.
That's using the platform. And we believe we've created a revolutionary product. We use
one has to be member of your this PlayPal to get all these benefits. And what is the way like to how to get the member?
So we have launched our beta. And our product is now out in the market as we speak. It's going out into the market.
Fine.
And it's going to only be available, it's only available in the US right now.
Fine.
So the way to actually download the app is just going on the App Store and actually downloading the platform and integrating with the multitude of devices that you're using so that you guys can get predictive and preventative analysis when it comes to your health.
Accurate analysis.
Accurate analysis. खाना कब चाहिए, सोना कब चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज कब करनी चाहिए, जो कि नहीं हो रहा अभी ये जितनी भी आपके डिवाइसेस हैं, एप्पल हेल्थ किट ले लें, आप फिटबिट ले लें, एप्पल वॉच ले लें, ये आपको ट्रैक तो करते हैं आपकी एक्टिविटी.
They just give you the figures.
They just give you the figures, but they don't actually tell you what to do and how to do it.
Preventive measures की बात नहीं करते.
Preventative, exactly. Preventative measures की बात नहीं करते. Predictions नहीं आ रही systems के अंदर.
Right.
And so we believe that the artificial intelligence that we've created, the AI that we've created, and the business algorithms and the all these health algorithms that we've created over the years will actually enable that kind of preventative and predictive analysis as we move forward and create that holistic health profile that all of us want.
That's right. What is the strength of this PlayPal company? Like how many people are working over there? Set up in how many countries you have, or just is online?
Right, so we've got set up both in the US.
Fine.
We've got a team obviously facilitating that process both in the US and in Pakistan. And as of right now, we plan on, we are launching just for the US market and we plan on eventually expanding globally.
In Pakistan as well, obviously.
Pakistan is a little, will come second in adopting the technology because the technology is built for the West right now.
Fine.
But we are hoping to do some pilots here in Pakistan also as we move forward.
In the later stage.
At a later stage because we believe कि पाकिस्तान की audience जो है once the West adopts this revolutionary technology, only then we believe that Pakistan will be ready to adopt this technology in the future.
They follow the success stories only. If they feel like something is...
Yes, absolutely. I do believe that the West is the first mover. And always in terms of adoption is the pioneer of adopting new technologies and fortunately or unfortunately we as a nation always follow when it comes to adoption of new technologies. So inshallah we believe that once the product which is already taking off in the US and is building momentum in the US, once it takes off there we will be eventually inshallah bringing it here and implementing it here in Pakistan with the existing healthcare systems.
It will be only for the general consumers or you will also be providing it to the doctors or the hospitals or some...
Absolutely.
Right.
So we're already in conversations with a couple of doctors and physicians in Canada and in the US to figure out how the PlayPal platform can actually integrate and bring the preventative side of healthcare into their clinics. And we are talking to a couple of Canadian healthcare providers to see how we can integrate with their systems. And inshallah, when that's done, we do plan on bringing the technology here and communicating with existing clinics and healthcare institutions here to see how we can extend the PlayPal services to the masses in Pakistan.
That's right. Once we go to the doctor and doctor is advising us something, obviously it has more impact rather than I'm going and searching on the internet.
Absolutely. Abhi ji, kya hota hai? You go on Google and you type in chest pain or fever and 36 आपको articles मिलते हैं that don't really tell you what you should be doing. एक article पे एक different opinion होता है, दूसरे article पे एक different opinion होता है. So we believe that through the PlayPal platform and through all of this intelligence that we've built around health that has taken us so many years to establish, you will not need to go to Google. That's what we're trying to do.
Come to the PlayPal.
Just come to the PlayPal platform, and once you this advanced health profile that we've tailored to every individual will be telling you what you need to be doing in the individual circumstance that you're in.
यानी उसकी स्पेसिफिक नीड्स को मद्देनजर रखते हुए ये करेगा.
हर बंदे की स्पेसिफिक नीड्स, उनकी एलर्जीज, उनकी मेडिकल जीन्स, जेनेटिक्स में जो प्रोपेंसिटी है टू डिफरेंट डिजीजेस को मद्देनजर रखते हुए ये हमने सिस्टम बिल्ड किया है दैट्स गोइंग टू इनेबल individuals to take control of their health.
Like we just put in some data about myself, about my history or something like that.
Yes, so very basic questionnaire that takes in your general understanding profile information, your family history of a very baseline level, and that enables us to create different data clusters that enable us to provide recommendations from existing databases to the individual. और जैसे डेली आप उसके अंदर डेटा ऐड कर रहे हैं, आपकी एप्पल वॉच से डेटा आ रहा है, आपके हेडसेट मॉनिटर से आ रहा है, आपके फूड मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम से जब डेटा उसके अंदर सिस्टम के अंदर आता है तो वी आर एबल टू लर्न about an individual's habits.
Very nice.
And as the system learns an individual's habit, it is better able to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide more tailored recommendations that are specifically aligned for that individuals or built for that individual.
That's very nice. नाजरीन, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम आए तो थे छाप के बारे में बात करने, लेकिन you very well elaborated about PlayPal. Thank you very much. Let's talk about you are the founder and chairman for CHAAP. What is CHAAP? CHAAP.
So CHAAP, अगर if you look it up online, CHAAP की multiple मुख्तलिफ जो हैं वो translations हैं.
Right.
And usually वो जो मोर लगता है
जी,
जैसे आपकी शिनाख्त जिसको हम ठप्पा कहते हैं या शिनाख्त जिसको कहते हैं in a way, it has multiple meanings. उसकी अगर आप direct meaning में चला जाएं तो it's just a ठप्पा, but at the end of the day ये ठप्पा लगता है to be able to differentiate between one person and the other.
Okay,
ठीक है ना, identity की जहाँ पे बात हो जाती है. And for the first time ever in Pakistan, we are building or starting a dialogue around a woman's identity. Right? Because यहाँ पे क्या होता है जी, at the end of the day हम या तो किसी की बेटी होते हैं या किसी के हम जो हम औरतें होती हैं, किसी की बीवी होते हैं या किसी के हम डॉटर इन लॉ होते हैं. एंड एक औरत की शनाख्त, एक औरत की पहचान, एक औरत की आइडेंटिटी जो है उस पर डायलॉग कम होता है. तो वी वांट टू यूज द CHAAP प्लेटफॉर्म टू नंबर 1 स्टार्ट डायलॉग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर अराउंड ए वुमेन्स आइडेंटिटी.
Rather than be a mother, daughter, sister.
Yes, who are you as a woman, right? And number 2, we're trying to bridge the ideological, sociological, legal barriers that exist for women in our country today.
That's right. Okay.
ठीक हो गया. And how we're doing it is CHAAP is a digital platform. हम लोग that is focused initially on the urban educated woman.
Fine.
To provide 6 different services.
Fine.
ठीक हो गया. एक हमारा awareness platform है.
कितना पढ़ा लिखा होना जरूरी है एक खातून के लिए to be member of or come under this CHAAP program?
I would say metric level, anybody who uses social media,
right?
Anybody who has access to a phone, which is there are about, I would say, 50 million people जो भी recent stat आया है, about 50 million people in Pakistan have smartphones now.
Fine.
Right? So initially हमारा obviously we do plan on extending our services to the rural areas also, but Chhap is a digital platform initially focused on 6 services.
Fine.
Our first service is awareness, which we do through journalism and different webinars that we do and hold online, where we take different taboo topics that exist around women in Pakistan and we address them by keeping Islamic and Pakistani principles.
That's right.
Right? हम यहाँ पे औरतों के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करने आए हैं. हम यहाँ पे अपने स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर रह के गेट्स खोलना चाहते हैं, दवारें नहीं. हमारी जो सेकंड सर्विस इसमें आती है, we have vocational training for women,
right,
digitally, where women don't need to actually leave their houses to get access to vocational training of all sorts, whether that be vocational training in the field of design, in the field of coding, whether that be vocational training in the field of developing a skill set when it comes to teaching. We've got a multitude of different programs when it comes to vocational training that we're providing to women digitally.
Do you have your centers for this, or
we don't need to? This is our center at our office. We have our office here.
Digitally,
we've got digital instructors that are spread out all over the world. We've got Pakistani people who are willing and who have signed on to the platform to provide all types of services through our vocational training programs.
This is only for Pakistani women? Or?
This is for Pakistani women only for now.
Okay.
Because we have so much talent in this country that is being ignored, and inshallah once we conquer the Pakistani woman, we will extend it to other South Asian countries as well and abroad as well.
Okay.
The
third aspect of this.
Third aspect of it is mentorship. One thing that women lack in educational institutes is they get an education, but at the end of the day, they don't know where to go, how to apply for a job, how to be able to go and conduct themselves in the workplace, how to actually do an interview, how to apply for interviews. So we have a mentorship program that not only focuses on academic and job support and creates channels for women to be able to go and apply for jobs, and we've got a connection program where we are linked with multiple companies and multiple headhunting companies that specifically focus on placing women from these different universities that are graduating in the appropriate job sectors for them.
Fine.
And then we've got mentorship on a personal level that is called the Big Sister Little Sister program.
Mashallah.
Just we've got a network of women that are providing mentorship on a personal level to women so that they may share their personal issues, so that they may share their personal journeys and get mentorship on a one-on-one basis to create the Chhap sisterhood.
Right.
And then we've got access to legal help. Again, all through digital. We've got a group of about 20 lawyers that have subscribed to the Chhap platform, as well as legal organizations like Blackstone University and other legal organizations like Human Rights Protection Authority, Women's Rights Protection Authority. The Human Rights Ministry of Punjab is also on board with us.
Right.
That is coming together so that when women come through the Chhap platform, we can redirect them to the appropriate facilities so that they may actually end up getting the justice that they require. होता यहाँ पे ये है कि बहुत सी NGOs exist करती हैं, but एक औरत आती है, वो उस NGO पे जाके help के लिए आती है, but वो पता नहीं चलता कि उसको आया कि एक्चुअली उस एनजीओ ने हेल्प करके उसको अपने मुकाम पे, अपनी जस्टिस के मुकाम पे पहुंचाया कि नहीं.
So you keep the data bank?
So we keep the data bank to make sure that the women who are coming and getting rerouted through us actually get to that final destination of what they're meant to get to when they go to an NGO. So our alliance NGOs enable that. We only make alliances with those NGOs that we believe are doing their job correctly, and we are this umbrella one-stop shop, you could say, platform that makes sure that for all of these services that women are coming to us for, the women are eventually getting what they come here for.
तो
ये नहीं हो रहा कि सिर्फ एक औरत आ रही है,
जी,
शशका मिल रहा है उसको कि जी हाँ हम आपको वहाँ पहुँचा देंगे, बट जैसे ही वो जाके अपना प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करती है वो उधर ही धक्के खा के वहीं पे ही रुक जाती है. सो वी नॉट ओनली टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ रीराउटिंग women in the right direction and directing them to the appropriate facility that can take them where they need to be taken, but we also provide the one-on-one kind of help that they need to get there.
how you identify these 6-7 areas based on some
And then
research?
there's some more services also that I'd like to elaborate on. There is access to funding
Right.
to enable women to start their own businesses. And then finally, the most important one is access to medical help. Because we believe कि यहाँ पे बहुत से ऐसे women related diseases, women related issues होते हैं जो कि address नहीं हो पाते due to the inaccessibility of female practitioners.
Fine.
Right? So bridging the gap. We are not just a service provider to women only, but we bridge the gaps and connect the right organizations with other organizations and individuals to make sure that women are having an easy way or have ease in navigating their path as they come for help, as they come to get access, as they come to kind of build their journeys moving forward.
Medical health आप कैसे उनको provide करने जा रही हैं? Like you have
Right.
connection with some local
बिल्कुल.
healthcare centers?
बिल्कुल. So अभी we've reached out to multiple centers. We've contacted local dispensaries also, where female doctors की असल में कमी है. क्योंकि औरतें जब जाती हैं they want कि एक फीमेल डॉक्टर जो है वो सामने प्रेजेंट हो. इशू क्या आता है कि फीमेल डॉक्टर्स जो है वो ग्रेजुएट करके घर बैठी हुई हैं अपने careers. Most of them are brilliant, smart, but you don't.
You also want to become them, under CHAP program to be,
right. So there are already platforms that are doing that. They're already connecting. They already have female doctors on their platforms that are virtually providing care.
Very right.
So we are just looking for platforms that already exist, and we want to bring them under our banner, so that our audience and when people come to us, they can get all of these services under one place. They don't need to go to 20 different places to get access. CHAP becomes that central directory and search engine that directs women to the right place at the right time in an effective manner.
Stars like
and last जो हम चीज़ offer कर रहे हैं वो है trainings. अभी हमने एक self defense training, पाकिस्तान की first ever self defense training.
I saw your video also.
Yes, we've started that. Very proud of that. We've gotten about 30,000 views on it. We've launched that in Lahore College, which is the, as you know, the largest, one of the largest all-female institutions in Pakistan.
Very right.
So they have taken this self-defense very seriously, and we are figuring out a collaboration mechanism where they can incorporate this self-defense series in their curriculum. On an institutional level. So we are really excited कि ये 10-15 हज़ार लड़कियों को 10 to 15,000 girls will get access to this training for free.
Very right.
They don't need to pay for it. They don't need to do anything. We virtually give them access to it, and they go out and they, inshallah, feel safer in their homes. They feel safer when they step outside of their house and all of that.
That's very nice. नाज़रीन, ये तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा एक सरप्राइज़ है कि मैडम ने जिस तरह छाप का एक पूरा एक जो सेटअप था वो हमें एक्सप्लेन किया. एक सवाल ये आता है कि how a woman can become the member in the CHAP? What is the process?
Very simple. We have a pledge form. We've already gotten about 2,000 or 3,000 pledges.
Right.
You just fill out the form and you become a part of the CHAP sisterhood. You get access to all our vocational trainings. You get access to all of our other types of training, confidence building trainings, defense trainings, and you get access to all of our services. All you have to do is you have to like our page on Facebook and Instagram, and you just have to fill out the pledge form to be a part of the community.
There is no any fee or
no fee. It's all free.
Very right. This is something, what is your success story so far? How many women you have, empowered so far in different areas?
Right. So on a very personal level, I myself have mentored about 500 girls in my
The journey which you started with one girl.
I started with one girl, and it started at UMT.
Fine.
And so on a personal level, before I started CHAP, that's where the inspiration came from.
Fine.
And on a CHAP level, we have about 2,000 pledges.
माशाल्लाह
to date.
And डेमोग्राफिक देखें तो कहाँ पे ज़्यादा हैं आपके?
पंजाब में.
And what about लाहौर सिटी? Typical लाहौर सिटी में भी हैं?
लाहौर सिटी में भी हैं. हमारे पास
urban areas you are talking about.
जी,
urban
लाहौर सिटी में हैं. We've got some in फैसलाबाद, सियालकोट, मुल्तान, एबटाबाद. So these are some of the centers that we're focused on right now. And all you have to do is you just sign on, then you get access to all of this for free. And yeah, we are here to deliver the best that we can to women for free.
Right. What about the personal coaching? Personal coaching किस तरह आप करते हैं या how they can? Or another question comes into my mind. How you identified कि typical problem किसी लड़की की क्या है? Sometimes the people are unable to explain their problems.
Right. So answering your first question, it's super simple. The feature is about to get launched. You go on our website. वहाँ पे there is going to be a list of mentors.
Fine.
That we have spent the past 6 to 8 months vetting.
Fine.
There is a very, very, very tough process of the mentor selection process for us.
That's right.
We are not just getting any educated person from a top university to come and become a mentor. There is a very rigorous form, a very rigorous process of getting these mentors on board, because लड़कियों की जिंदगी का सवाल है at the end of the day. We need to make sure that the mentors that are coming on the CHAP platform are utilizing Pakistani and Islamic ideals that our nation is built on, to give the kind of and impart the kind of knowledge and impart the kind of guidance that the girls need in our nation. Right? So the mentorship selection process I do myself with my board. So the board actually makes sure that every single mentor that comes into the CHAP platform is properly vetted. There are 4 or 5 rounds of interviews that each mentor goes through. There is a legal agreement that every mentor signs with the organization.
This also goes digitally?
All digitally.
MashaAllah.
And then once the mentors are selected, we publish them on our website. And once they're published on the website, the mentees, who are the CHAP community members, can come and select from those members by themselves who they want to be with.
They have liberty to choose.
They have the liberty to choose.
Fine.
And once they select who they want to be with, they give us 3 choices. And then we do the pairing ourselves. The board sits together and we see कि okay, अगर ये 10 लड़कियां आ रही हैं इधर, तो what is the appropriate mentor for what they're looking for.
Fine.
And then we do the matching process, which again is very rigorous. It's not something that just happens just like that. It happens all electronically. It's facilitated electronically, but there's a lot of thought that goes behind how to match the right people with the right mentor.
Obviously, one can understand.
Right.
Right. जी नाज़रीन, ये हमने बड़ी सैर हासिल गुफ्तगू की है जिसमें हमने छाप के बारे में बात की है और मेनली वी वर फोकसिंग ऑन छाप प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ आ रही हैं, कैसे आप इसके मेंबर बन सकते हैं. तो नाज़रीन, आपकी इजाज़त के साथ हम आपका लिंक देने जा रहे हैं. We are going to display the link on this YouTube channel, जहाँ छाप की वेबसाइट पे आप जाके तमाम इंफॉर्मेशन हासिल कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको किसी तरह का भी, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वुमेन इन पाकिस्तान, प्लीज़ अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का कोई मसला है तो आप छाप के प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ करते हुए अपने तमाम मसाइल का हल तलाश कर सकती हैं, जिसमें आपका मेंटल हेल्थ है, आपकी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ है, आपके लिए अवेयरनेस डिफरेंट, वी हैव द डिफरेंट, दे हैव द डिफरेंट अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स, वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग जो कि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दी जा रही है, आपकी मेंटरशिप का इंतज़ाम किया गया है, आपकी 1-to-1 कोचिंग का इंतज़ाम किया गया है. और उसके बाद अगर इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग सम लीगल इश्यूज़, और आपके लिए यहाँ पे एक लीगल एड दी जा रही है जो कि बिल्कुल जिसे ऑब्वियसली खुफिया रखा जाता है, एक लोगों की जो ज़ाती ज़िंदगी का बिल्कुल एक राजदारी के साथ आप इसके ऊपर इसको लेके चल रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आखिर में हम आपसे ये सवाल पूछेंगे कि आप वुमेन जो पाकिस्तान में सो फॉर सो बेस्ड अपॉन योर एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस छाप इनिशिएटिव, आप क्या पैगाम देना चाहती हैं लड़कियों को, जो आपके अंदर की आवाज़ है, what you want to say to girls?
I would like to say that every woman of this country is exceptionally talented, is exceptionally brilliant, and I would like to say that we are going to build a future together for this country. I believe that our country is running at 50% capacity right now. because
obviously
women,
are more
the
than
brilliant women are not contributing the way they can to the growth of our nation. And I believe that together, girls, we have so much to show. We have so much to give back to our country, and there is so much that we can do together to build the next generation of Pakistan. So I guess मैं पैगाम ये देना चाहूँगी कि अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी, अपनी छाप के ऊपर टाइम स्पेंड करें, अपने आप को ढूंढने में, अपनी छाप को पहचानने में, अपनी पहचान को ढूंढने में टाइम इन्वेस्ट करें, लोगों की बातों में ना आए। आपको जो सोसाइटी बोलती है कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं हो सकता, लड़कियां ये नहीं कर सकती, वो नहीं कर सकती, बड़ा नहीं सोच सकती, आप उससे आगे बढ़ें। हम आपके लिए यहाँ मौजूद हैं, हम आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए मौजूद हैं, क्योंकि आई बिलीव कि लड़कियाँ सब कुछ कर सकती हैं, जो चाहे हम कर सकते हैं। अगर हम फोकस्ड रहें, अगर हम अपने आप में बिलीव करें, तो दुनिया की ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो हम हासिल नहीं कर सकते। सो अपने आप में बिलीव रखें, बिलीव इन योर एबिलिटीज़, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, और कभी हार ना माने।
एक्सीलेंट मैसेज, आई रियली फाइंड दिस एवर इन माई लाइफ। और इसके साथ नाजरीन, आप ये प्रोग्राम पूरा देखिएगा। इस प्रोग्राम में बहुत सारी मालूमात हमने आपके लिए दी है। छाप को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इनके वेबसाइट पे जाइए, वहाँ पे। और अगर आपके हल्का अहबाब में कुछ ऐसी ख़वातीन हैं जो आगे बढ़ना चाहती हैं, जो एम्पावर होना चाहती हैं, जो अपनी आइडेंटिटी अपना शो करना चाहती हैं, जो पाकिस्तान के लिए और इस्लाम के लिए काम करना चाहती हैं, तो उनको ज़रूर छाप का आप रास्ता बता दीजिए। ये रास्ता बताना भी सदका जारिया होगा। इसके साथ ही हम आपसे इजाज़त चाहते हैं। अल्लाह निगहबान।